It's Sablon's show, the best show in the world. What's your name?
My name is Stanley Mac.
Okay, what's your name?
Ederson lá todos.
Okay, that's right. So, me diga que question très simple pour nous là, est-ce déjà pour nous répondre?
You are Charlie, no?
Eu mesmo.
Yeah.
Okay, that's right. En créole nous dit parler, Sablon dit.
Speak.
Okay. En créole nous dit manger, Sablon dit.
Eat.
Eat, that's right. So, congratulations guys. Okay, en créole nous dit marcher vite, Sablon dit.
So, my finger up in this.
Ah, but I believe that.
Can you try?
My finger up in this.
Okay, can you try?
Rockfest.
Sorry?
Rockfest. Rockfast.
Okay, that's right. Walk.
Rockfast.
Okay.
Okay, okay, no problem. Let's go then. En créole nous dit pas garder.
En anglais, on dit don't see me, you know.
Li fait mal comprendre l'autre bagage.
Okay, can you try?
What?
Pas garder.
Don't see me.
Sorry?
Don't see me.
Okay. It is not correct. It is not the answer. Okay, en créole nous dit Malé. Sablon dit.
I'm go. I'm going to.
3 points.
Okay, that's right. En créole nous dit ma forme, Sablon dit.
I'm okay.
Okay.
Okay, that's right. En créole nous dit femme ça en forme, Sablon dit.
Yo, the lady is. Yo, shit. my finger dit tout ça. My finger dit.
Okay, sans danger. Hey, can you try?
No.
Mais cookie ko?
Okay. En créole nous dit éducation. Sablon dit.
Wedding. Education.
Really?
Education.
3 points.
Okay.
You can say education.
Okay, no problem. Okay, I have a last question for you guys. Okay, en créole nous dit sourire. Sablon dit.
Smell.
Yo gonna do langue américaine li? Haïtien fait oui.
And you?
Repeat again.
En créole nous dit sourire, Sablon dit.
Smile.
Sorry?
Smile. SMILE.
Okay, but I need the pronunciation.
Smile.
Yo gonna do langue américaine li? Haïtien fait oui.
Yeah, so give me your idea for
Okay, smile, right?
Smile.